I don't know when it became a thing to start aggressively salting caramel, maybe like the late 90s, but it was such an epic move that I don't even know if you can get unsalted caramel anymore. The sweet, salty combination, it's truly unmatched, and there's no going back now. This is an easy method for making a rich and creamy caramel sauce that you can pour all over ice cream or cakes, or maybe just take straight up like a shot. I mean, I'm down if you are. If you're nervous about making caramel, don't be. It's actually really simple. You just need to pay attention to what's happening. The goal is to get the sugar to melt as evenly as possible without any big chunks forming or letting the edges burn. Slow and steady is going to win the race every single time. The other key is butter, like a lot of it, and salted butter in this case, plus another hefty dose of salt because we are not messing around. This stuff will keep in the fridge for a week or two, and it also freezes nicely so you can always keep some on hand for when the sweet tooth strikes, which for me is right now.